they will let you do anything you want to with them. Now come on, are you ready? Ready? Woo! Again. Ready? Woo! He cannot fly because I clipped his wings. Hey, behave yourself. Don't pull my wing out. There we go. All right, Maynard, it is the most adorable